Meet the glass frog, the tiny rainforest amphibian with a see-through secret. The glass frog's belly is completely transparent. You can actually see its heart beating and organs working. They're nocturnal, coming alive at night to hunt for tiny insects with their sticky tongues. In some species, it's the male who guards the eggs, keeping them safe from predators and fungus. Their lime green backs blend perfectly with leaves, making them almost invisible from above. Glass frogs live high in the trees of Central and South America, and spotting one in the wild is a rare treat.